Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to describe jump statement in Java. So in my previous video I already described the break statement and today I am going to describe the continue and return statement. Okay. So and you can see all the links of my channel and the previous video in the description box, so you can go there and watch the related videos related to this topic. So okay, so we are explaining the continue statement. So here continue is basically used, means suppose you are using some for loop, okay, and in the for loop it will execute each and every iterations, okay, and means anytime if you want to skip any iteration, so you can use the continue statement, so it will means redirect the control to the next iteration only. Okay, so 1 minute, I am showing you, I am writing the code. So here you can, in my previous video I told you that the public static void main here, so that if you include this one also, so in the code it will automatically create. Okay, so here I am giving the name as continue demo. Okay, sorry, it's public, and here I am giving the name continue demo. Okay. Continue and return also I am explaining in the same video. So okay, so here you can see the code is here. Okay, so now suppose I have a for loop, so for int I equal to 0, I less than 10, and I plus plus. Okay, so this loop will supposed to execute 10 times. Okay, so here I am checking if I less than 5. Okay, then what I am doing, I am just using continue. Okay, if I less than 5, then I am try to means writing continue. Okay, and then here I am writing SYSO, and here I am printing I, value of I. So what this code will do, so in general if you not using this line, so continue, then it will 10 times the code will execute. Okay, the whatever code inside the for loop it will execute 10 times. Here also it will execute 10 times, but here what I am doing, I am forcefully redirect the control to this loop itself. Okay, so while if it will check if I value is less than 5, then it will continue, that means the control goes to this for loop again, and it will means loop control variable, it will increase the loop control variable once by once. So if you execute this, so it will only print the value whatever is greater than 5. Okay, so if you execute, so here you can see whatever values is greater than equal to 5, that value will only print. Okay, and here also if you can use the label itself, so here if you use any, suppose I am using one label a colon, okay, and here I am using continue a, so that will also do the same thing. So using label means it's like a go to. Okay, so from here in my previous video I also show you that using break and label you can use as a sorry, as a go to statement. Okay, so it's acts like a go to statement. So here also using continue also you can do like a go to statement. So continue a, that means, and here I am using one label a colon, so if you execute this, so it will give the same result. So that means while this statement is encountered, so it will redirect the control to this label itself. Okay, so this is the simple things. So using this continue you can just bypass the control to the next iteration itself inside a for loop. Okay, and also I will explain the return statement. So returns also, this is a means, but so here you can understand that the jump from here basically in normal scenario it will execute the line by line. So from after this line it will execute this line and then this line, and then it means encounter the curly brace, means closing brace of the for loop, so it will control goes to the for again, and like this way it will execute. But using this continue or break or the continue, break and return statement, you can jump from one part of the code. So from here you can jump directly here, so you can neglect or omit this code, this line of code. Okay, there is only one line, but in real scenario might be there some few more lines of code that would be means skipped. Okay, so that will not execute. Okay, and return, what the means, means in case of Java you have to write all the things in a method. Here the method is main method. Okay, so we are writing all the code inside this main method. So anytime if you use the return statement, so means the return should go, means return the control to the caller, means who have called this method. So main method, it's JVM will call the main method. So if you use the return statement here, so it will move the control from this your function to the caller, means who has called this method. Okay, so here if you means so I am just deleting this code, or you can do 1 minute. I am commented out this part. Okay, and after that I'm writing, so here I'm just writing system.out. Here I'm printing some message. So okay, so before return. Okay, and here I am writing return. So return is forcefully stop the execution of your method, and here I am writing after return. So if control goes, means return the control from here to, okay, so before return, so I am just writing it true. Okay, based on your condition, otherwise it will be dead code and it will not allow to compile. Means in normal scenario, sorry, it true. In normal code, if you directly write return, so after that anything whatever is code is there, so that should be a dead code. Okay, so compiler will not allow you to write anything after that. But if you write some condition, so based on your condition might be this, if this satisfied, then the return should goes to the caller method, or means caller function or caller method who has called this method. So it will redirect to that method. Okay, control goes or redirect to that method. So if you execute this code, so here you can see the before return is, this line is executed, and if true, so it will always execute. So return goes to the JVM, means as JVM will call the main method, so it goes to the JVM and next line should not be executed. So here you can see it is not executed. Okay, so what is the purpose of return then? So the return statement is used to explicitly return from a method. So here it is explicit, I am doing the explicit return. Okay, so explicit return means whatever code after that return, if this statement satisfied, the rest of the code will not execute. Okay, so it's also the jump from here, it's jump the control from here to the caller method. Okay, so next of the line will not execute. So that's also you can use. Okay, so this is all about the control statement in Java. So all is covered. So all the videos you can see in my channel. So if you can see also the link of my channel in the description box. So go there and you can watch all the videos. So thanks for watching this video. Also subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification, so you will get the bell icon, so you will get the notification once I upload the new videos. Thanks for watching this.